Welcome back to Ronnie, I'm Joe B. Today I'll show you how to palpate the knee joint line. Let's dive in. The knee joint line is a straight line connecting the most distal points of the medial and lateral femoral condyles. Before palpating, wash or sanitize your hands, then introduce yourself to the patient and what you are about to do to gather consent. Make sure that you use your finger pads, adhere to a broad contact, and avoid too much palpation pressure to maximize patient comfort. Patient position will be in supine, head, trunk, pelvis in neutral, arms at sides, and legs uncrossed. The palpated side, hip, and knee are flexed 45 degrees such that the right foot is flat on the table. The therapist will be on the palpated side. The therapist slides the first dorsal web space of the hand from the shin until she encounters a shelf. That will be the knee joint line. From there, move the thumb laterally to arrive at the lateral joint line. And if you move your index finger medially, then you will arrive at the medial joint line. So do you want to know how to palpate the fibular head? If so, then watch this next video. Thank you so much.